Chocolate cake is a classic loved by many. Here is a basic recipe you can follow, and I will also provide some Italian variations to make it even more special. Ingredients: 200 grams of double O flour, 200 grams of sugar, 100 grams of butter, 4 eggs, 200 grams of dark chocolate, 1 sachet of baking powder, 1 pinch of salt, 100 milliliters of milk. Preparation: preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Melt the chocolate in a bain-marie and let it cool. Beat the eggs with the sugar until you obtain a frothy and pale mixture. Add the softened butter to the egg and sugar mixture and continue beating. Incorporate the melted chocolate, mixing gently. Sift the flour with the baking powder and salt, then add them to the mixture, alternating with the milk. Pour the batter into a buttered and floured cake pan. Bake for about 35–40 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Let cool before unmolding. Italian variations: add an orange liqueur like Grand Marnier to the batter for a citrusy touch. Incorporate chopped hazelnuts or almonds in the final stages of mixing for extra crunch. Once baked, cover the cake with a chocolate ganache made with dark chocolate and cream, enriching the flavor and presentation of the dessert. Trivia: chocolate cake has ancient origins, and there are many variants around the world. In Italy, a famous interpretation is the torta caprese, which comes from Campania and includes chopped almonds and cocoa, and is notably flourless, so it's also great for those who are gluten intolerant. Remember that you can always customize the recipe according to your tastes or dietary needs. Have fun in the kitchen and enjoy your meal!